In this video we will make a column whose top face is slanting. The slant can be rotated in different directions. Open an adaptive type template. At the reference level, place a point and make it adaptive. Set a horizontal plane at the adaptive point and place 3 points over it. Filter out the adaptive point and hide it. Hold a reference point and assign a new offset parameter and assign some value to it. In the same way, hold the second and third points one by one and assign offset parameters and then assign some values to them. At the adaptive point, set a horizontal plane and place a circle and assign a radius parameter to it. Similarly, set a horizontal plane at each point and place a circle and assign a radius parameter. The same radius parameter is assigned to the lower 3 circles and a different parameter to the topmost circle. Do not forget to check the box is reference line for all the circles. Hold them together and create a form. This is a column without the head rotation. We need to make the top of the column slanting and rotate in different direction to match the slant of the surface under which it is going to be placed. Dissolve the form and delete the top circle. Set a vertical plane at the top point and place a point over it. Assign a new offset parameter to the new point. This offset is finally going to have value equal to 0. But for the time being, allot some value to it. Place another point at the last point at the vertical plane as shown here. This plane is in the third direction. Assign the same offset parameter. At the last point, set a horizontal plane and place a circle over it. Assign a radius parameter to the circle. Assign a rotation parameter each to the last 2 points. Name them differently. Make the offset 0 equal to 0. Hold all the circles and create a form. Check by assigning different rotation angles. Create a new conceptual mass type family. Place two planes and name them. Create a form with slanting planes in different directions. Go back and load the first family into this family. Set the level 1 and place the component. Move the component under the slanting surface. Change the rotation angles and by trial and error make the top surface of the column parallel to the slant surface. After a few trials, I finally managed to make the top surface of the column right under the slanting surface.